Dear students of competitive exams and academics of English, today in this lecture 1 part 2, in this English medium version, our topic is adverb clause based on conditional sentences, that is related to subject verb agreement part. We have observed in lecture 1 part 1 what 3 rules were there and how we change the verbs according to the part of condition. Now in this rule number 4 we will come to know what is unfulfilled condition and what is the function of this in conditional sentence. Actually, unfulfilled condition is a condition in which we hope that it must have been done, but that's not done. It means we repent in this matter, would that it had been done, but that is not performed, that was not performed in the past. In such condition we use always if plus past perfect tense. If plus past perfect tense, had plus third form, and in the next part, that is called the part of result, we use subject plus would, could or might, any one of these three, and have plus third form of the verb, like this. If he had passed means we wished him to pass, but he failed. It means that he didn't pass. In this case we write if he had passed, I would have given him a gift. Not to have been given means but the gift was not given to him because he didn't pass. In this way we use if plus he had, I mean subject plus had plus third form, because of being in past perfect, and rest part of this sentence will remain would have plus third form, could have plus third form, or might have plus third form, and rest part of the sentence. If plus past perfect is used when our wish didn't fulfill or get fulfilled. In rule number 4 there is a subjunctive mood. First let's understand what is subjunctive mood. Subjunctive mood is a mood in which we wish something and it is, we are hopeful that it will happen. I wish he may pass. He may pass means there are chances to pass, that is not passed. But in the rule number 4 that will never happen because time has passed. But this rule number 5, not 4 but rule number 5, in this rule number 5, that is subjunctive mood, we hope that it will happen, we hope it may happen. In this way we use always were, plural form. Whether we have I, we have they, we have he. You have any subject, you will have to use were. It means there are chances to be rich for me. In this way I will write if I were rich. If I were rich, I would help the poor. If they were rich, it means it is hoped that they will be rich. It means if they were rich, and in the same way if he were rich. Were is not wrong word but it's right expression, and we always use would. We never use should. Would is fixed, whether you have I, whether you have he, or whether you have any subject, you use this. And these rules happen to come in general rules. I hope you have understood all these rules. Thanks.